Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stellar XLM. Stellar going interstellar. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official crypto growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their products, the biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Stellar. The optimism is in the air with most of the utility projects. Stellar is no different, but before we check out the community and the optimism in the air, let's first go and check out what's happening with their official handles. Let's see what's happening. Look at this. This is all bridge. We are excited to announce our partnership with Espresso Cash, enabling their community to seamlessly bridge assets from Sol to Stellar. By integrating our SDK, Espresso Cash has enhanced its platform with cross-chain functionality, empowering users to move assets between networks. Stellar is trying to innovate and forge partnerships time and again, and this is no different. Look at this, partnering with Espresso Cash over here. What this partnership means is that this partnership will allow Espresso Cash users worldwide to leverage blockchain tech and deposit or withdraw assets through MoneyGram, making global financial access more convenient than ever. We're talking about real-world use cases, real-world utility that is happening. I mean, this is awesome. Let's see what's happening with the official handle. Anything new? Okay, so what is this? Just a moment. New numbers, new Soroban projects, and new wallets. Watch our Q3 in review recap. So let's check it out.
If you missed the Q3 in review last week, don't worry, we've got the headlines for you. We introduced our new Chief Business Officer, Raja Chakravorty. Next, we shared key stats from the quarter. We reached roughly 9 million addresses and $590 million in real-world assets. We launched the latest version of the Stellar Community Fund. 35 Soroban projects were awarded more than $2.2 million in XLM. We welcomed 3 new wallets to the ecosystem at Meridian, MoneyGram, Tala, and Akuna. We also launched our policy hub on stellar.org with resources and content from our policy team. Finally, we welcomed more than 700 of you at Meridian this year, and we can't wait to do it again in 2025. If you haven't subscribed to the Stellar Social Club newsletter yet, make sure to do that.
Awesome. From social clubs to everything in between, this is good. This is Stellar Social Club, community built with you in mind. Where's OpenFi headed? Just a moment. Okay. So where's OpenFi headed? Yesterday at OpenFi DevCon in Bangkok, we hosted a panel with Tomer Weller and from Stellar and other Web3 ecosystem leaders diving into the future of OpenFi. Learn more about OpenFi and see the projects building it today. You guys can check out this link to learn more about OpenFi and what's happening. See, what I like about Stellar is that it is going global from Asia, Africa, and all over the globe. In the United States, we have seen it try to basically increase the awareness and build their brand all across the globe. This is what I like about Stellar, to be honest. collaborating with international organizations like UNHCR and others, MasterCard, collaboration with MasterCard. It is awesome. Let's see what Mr. Tomer Weller has to say over here.
I think the big thing is basically this idea of like traditional.
Just a moment. What is this? Pitching the builders. How do ecosystems support OpenFi? Okay, and who are involved over here? Look at this, guys, the names over here. We've got Diego Diaz, the head of Latam Solana Foundation. We've got Eric Kang, head of DeFi, Ava Labs. We've got Jared Barnes, head of Ecosystem, Nair Foundation. We've got Coco Lee, head of growth, Orb Labs. And then we've got Tomer Weller, the CPO of Stellar. A stacked group indeed.
I think the big thing is basically the.
Okay, and Aleph Zero is also here. I think it might be a sponsor. So indeed stacked.
Idea of like traditional finance and decentralized finance kind of like merging into one big thing, and it will be, I think, in the very soon future, it will be difficult to tell them apart. I think that you're looking at a lot of traditional finance companies like Franklin Templeton and Wisdom Tree that are issuing assets on Stellar and other networks, and becoming like more and more crypto native. And then we're seeing crypto native companies that are actually doing things that are like kind of like more safe and more appealing to the traditional finance sector. So things like
programmable money for everyday use, OpenFi. Cool. Okay, what else do we have? Traditional rail. Stellar has been on fire lately. Look at this. So many good and cool posts. I mean, this is awesome. Traditional rail. 50,000 transactions at $1 per transaction equals $50,000. The Stellar network, 50,000 transactions equals $120. Okay, the future of asset management. Andrew Crawford, Franklin Templeton, look at this. Emma Pekanisic, Fidelity International, we've got Andrew Wong, UBS, we've got Sergey Nazarov, Chainlink, Edgar Geringer, HSBC Global Asset Management. Okay, so this is, I think, the Chainlink Smart Con, and Stellar is trying to give us a message that what Stellar's capability is. Let's see what they have to say. Stellar has posted this. It might be of interest.
I think there's been a big transformation this year with the bifurcation of crypto and blockchain. And crypto is the main asset that sits on a blockchain-based recording system or record-keeping system. What we see is now a lot more people are adopting, seeing the benefits, whether it be cost, efficiency, transparency, interconnectedness of operating on a blockchain-based system with a single ledger, and we see that's really driving, will drive the industry in the next 12 months and beyond very quickly.
So you feel it's the efficiency gains from putting a fund structure on a chain?
Yeah, I mean, we did a study where on the traditional way that we record a transaction, it cost us about $1 to do that. So for us to do 50,000 transactions on a traditional rail costs $50,000. 50,000 transactions that we've done on the Stellar network has cost us $120. So there is a huge cost saving, but then that cost saving also leads to efficiencies in the sense that you don't have to do the reconciliation of multiple ledgers, you don't have to remediate issues, everyone gets the same information synchronously. Yeah, so it's a real cost that we can identify the actual saving, and then these other benefits. We spend about $200 million a year on remediation and reconciliation. If we can move all the 1.7 trillion of our assets, currently we have about 500 million. If we can move that all onto blockchain, we will save $200 million, excluding the transaction costs, which will be 0.0025 of what they are today. So it's huge. It's just the big move is moving from a custodial model to a blockchain-based system where we don't have third parties like banks like HSBC overseeing. That's the big change that we have to. That's going to create the friction.
Guys, let's see what's happening with the official, the community, and what's happening with that, because optimism is in the air at the moment.
I think
And
there's been a big transformation this.
yeah, I do not know why it hanged. Yeah, the traditional sector, it needs innovation, and you know that a lot of this technology in the legacy systems are outdated, and projects such as Stellar and Chainlinks, they are trying to innovate it and make the financial world a seamless, a smooth place, an efficient place, an optimized place. And at the moment, price wise as well, there is optimism in the air. Let's see what's happening with XLM. Look at this. Last 24 hours, Stellar is up 19 cents, up 43.84% last 24 hours. Look at this. Hey, Stellar fam, riding the XLM wave. How about using a slice of those gains to bring new friends into the future of money? With beans, send XLM to your crew. So people are cashing in on this momentum that XLM has recently built. Franklin Templeton announces $1.7 trillion move to Stellar. I mean, awesome. Sup guys, did you check the sky today? Looks like we're heading to the moon. Put your helmets on. It's going to be a wild ride. Look at this. Stellar going interstellar. LFG. I really liked it. This was really catchy, so I wanted to make this the title. Stellar going interstellar. I mean, this is awesome. So shout out to Mr. Sammy. Congrats, XLM holders. Just wait until the trillions come in. The FOMO is about to get wild. And they said XLM wouldn't do anything. All the haters looking dumb right now. I mean, this happens whenever a project gets going. Price-wise, people tend to come and say optimistic things, and everything is good. But when the dips happen, the correction happens, the price drops, obviously there is negativity in the air, and it is natural. None of the projects can go up forever, and I think good projects cannot go down forever. So XLM, obviously it has great potential, and it was about time that it gave some decent gains for people to be happy about. This had to happen. XLM holders, could this be the real deal? Let's just hold this 19-cent area for now. Then we can let it test a bit for a few days before making some of the bigger challenges, including breaking above this ascending triangle. Look at this. The trend line over here, it was tested, rebounded well over here. Okay, so it has been tested again over here, tested here as well. And yeah, here, and then we have a breakout. Let's hope that it can carry on and test these resistance lines. Obviously it is a bit ambitious at the moment, but anything can happen. We have seen insane things happening. To simply put, XLM is heading for a new all-time high. Hopefully. Once XLM reclaims its 0.5 Fibonacci resistance at 15 cents, it's fireworks, and it has already claimed it. We're at 19 cents. It is firework towards $2.50 at the 1.272 Fibonacci extension. Max Euphoria is the 1.618 extension target at 8.74. I mean, that would be insane. So, folks, what do you guys think about Stellar going interstellar? Are you a believer, or do you think that this will fade away? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out if you're interested. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.